Hello and welcome to Trains and Viatic, and today I have a box. What's in this box? Well, it's something I've been talking about for ages and I have cheated, and this is the second part for it. So let's start with titles and then we can open the box. This box is from DCC Train Automation. This is the second part of this project, and there's actually two kits in this. What can it be? It's something I've talked about for ages, and if you watch my shorts you will have seen what this is. This kit here is two lots of 360 track for my Helix. So what do we have in this box? We've got the side parts for the supports for Helix. We've got the Helix track, which should be 9mm ply. Then we've got the supports. And then in here we've got the washers and bolts. In the first kit I had very similar to this. I also had a several straight pieces and 16 bits of threaded rod. So let's go and show you what the next stage of this is. One of the biggest things with this project is prep work. So in this box I have a mess. This is a foam track bed from DCC Concept, and this is a big sheet, and this is a board I pre-did. So what I do is I use one of the risers to cut out two shapes for the track, and then I put foam on top. So let's go over to the train room and I can show you the Helix so far. So let's answer a few questions. What is a Helix? A Helix is a way to get your track up a hill in a smaller space. So this is a consecutive circle. What height am I going to be getting this to? I think I'm going to be about 35 centimetres. As that take me to just above the windowsill. And why do I need this? So this isn't the largest room. This definitely isn't a small room. You can fit a bed there. You can fit desk there. This would be quite a nice sized bedroom and bigger than what I had in my old house just. But for a large model railway, this would leave me no ability to have either storage or a layout if this was just one level. So I've always planned to have multiple levels. This level here, which you all know and love, is my fiddling yard. This is where about the trains are stored, where they come to sleep and then get sent out. Also, that's my Christmas present from my bunny. So this level have always been planned for storage. Nothing down here is going to look pretty, and then I'll put that module there because I have had it. So everything here is designed to be working. So I then need to get the trains up to the next level, which the job of this Helix is. So the trains will come from here along this piece of wood which I cut along to the Helix. For Helix you can do it yourself, but I went for a kit. So in the kit you get two of those straights, you get 8 plus 4, so 12 of the round Helix bits, and the threaded rods and all the other bits. This will take you up to just there. So this will give you about 16 centimetre increase. I decided to go for a kit because that saved me quite a lot of hassle. They go and tell me how to do everything. Everything I need is just in the kit. One additional thing I have done is made this hole here so that I can access the middle of the Helix. So what have I been doing? The first thing I do is I set up the Helix as a round, as a flat layout, and I made these bits so you have a support bottom and then you've got the two side bits. I also did the track bed and put the foam on, and then I put the track in and wired it. You'll notice just here there's no fish plates, and just down there there's no fish plates. This is because I'm having block detection so I know where the trains are, and I worked out that one loop should be a good size block. So I then came along and glued all the track down while this was flat. Then you'll see some 3D printed bits. These are a piece of my adaptation. So in the instructions it tell you what height everything need to be. These 3D printed pieces of plastic are the correct heights for all the increase, as you want the trains to increase at a constant speed. Then finally at the bottom you're meant to use one of these flat bits, but I didn't. I've gone on to this bit which will take me onto the track. The other line will go along there and meet up there, so there's quite a bit of things done on this. This also leads me onto the next level, which is the first scenic area. So about here the track will come out right at the back of the layout, run along there all hidden from scene, turn around there, still out of scene, along here, and then pop out just here. So there will be a tunnel or something. This would be 2 track here, but over there I'm planning to have some form of hidden storage. Then from about that kind of distance, so 1.5 we'll have 2 tracks and the fiddling area. Then we'll have scenic areas here. Then it will take you up one more level of a Helix to the final terminus. The plan is to bring that out. I think it's going to be 2 up, then it will bring it out here so that I have space for over track. So for Helix, it's given me the ability to have multi-story layout. So let's go back to my desk. So we're back at my desk, and this is a Helix kit again. So I got to thank Train Automation for how quickly they got this to me, how well it's packed. Everything I need is just here, and they have made a brilliant kit. So been testing with just wagons to make sure everything go down nicely. Hopefully I'll soon be starting with the tracks. DCC Train Automation don't only just do for 00, actually this is a 00 radius 3 and 4 kit. They do it for N-gauge, and they do single tracks and double track versions, and they can do whatever you need. So I'm always buying stuff from DCC Train Automations. as they do very good products. I'm normally on for DCC stuff I'm after, but they do brilliant kits. I've bought their kits for the roadway system before, so they do a very good product, very good range of product, and very knowledgeable. So I'm so glad to get this kit. It means I can gradually work on the layout. The next thing I need is what is it? It is track. Track is an expensive part of this project, as I need radius 3 and radius 4 track. You can use track setters and create it yourself, but I'm just going for set track. For first radius, first level for Helix, I spent 50 quid on the radius 4 track, plus 20 quid on the radius 3 because I got that from a job lot. So you can see it's not cheap. This box here is 100 quid worth of stuff, but when you look at everything on it, the fact that everything is there, cut side, outside, inside, you have your centre lines, and this is just so clean. Yes, I could use my laser cuts at work, but for the amount of time it would take to draw this, design this and everything, you're paying for a premium product here. They also do baseboards and all the other products you need for the layout. So hopefully in not too short a time we'll be able to actually run trains up and down. So let's finish here, and I'll see everybody next time. Thank you very much, Richard.